Hello everyone and welcome back. In the previous videos, we learned about Java features. We have written our first Java program. Before we write more programs, it's important to understand the structure of a Java program. Think of it as the skeleton or blueprint of every Java program. And just like in Selenium, where we follow a structure for test scripts, Java programs also follow a clear structure. By the end of this lesson, you will know what each part of Java program does and why it matters for testers. So every Java program must have at least one class. A class is like a blueprint or a template for a program. All the code we write goes inside a class and the class name should match the file name. So for example, public class first program, or maybe the first program. Okay, just write with the camel case, and here the code will go. So public, here the class can be accessed from anywhere. Again, it is a access modifier and it denotes that the class can be accessed from anywhere. The class is a predefined keyword in Java, and first program is the name of the class. So in Selenium, each page object or utility is a class. So understanding classes helps organize test scripts cleanly. So inside the class, every Java program must have a main method. Okay, so this is the entry point where the program starts execution. So I'll just close this. Okay, and then here we can add a main method. So main method syntax we already saw, that is public static void main and then string arguments. Okay, and then here it is a method body. So again, if you want to write some statements, we can add it here. Statements will go here. Okay, so again, public here, it is a access modifier. So JVM can access this method from anywhere. Okay, static, with the help of static, JVM can run it without creating an object of class. Void, it is a return type. So this means that the method does not return anything. And string arguments, it allows passing command line arguments. So think of the main method like the test runner in Selenium. It executes the steps line by line. So inside the main method, we write statements. So basically the statements are the instructions Java executes line by line. So every statement must end with a semicolon. So like system dot out dot print line, and then here we will add a message that is hello Selenium tester. Okay, so this is the statement. Okay, and then it ends with a semicolon here. So execution flow will be from top to bottom, line by line. So now Java allows comments, okay, to explain your code. So there are single line comments or multi-line comments. Okay, so if you want to add a comment, then you can add a comment with a double slash, and then you can add some message, like for example, this is a comment. Okay, so this is a comment. Okay, so this is one kind of comment. If you want to add it a multi-line comment, then you can do like this, like slash, then star, and then you will start your comment. Okay, then so this is a, and then you can add on the other line as well. So multi-line comment. Okay, and then you need to end it with star and then slash. So this is how you can add multi-line comment. So putting it all together, so maybe we'll just add it here. If you go inside this our program, so you see this is our first program. Like this is the class name is a keyword. This is a class name, and again this should follow the camel case, and our file name should match with the class name, that is first program.java. And here there is a method, this is the main method, and then these are the statements. So here let's say if you want to add a comment, so then you can add double slash, and then this is a comment, so this is a single line comment. So if you want to add multi-line comment, then you can add like this slash star, and then you can add this is multi-line comment. Okay, so this is how you can add multi-line comment. So this is how the program looks like. Okay, so always name classes with the uppercase first letter, and then subsequent will be a camel case. Okay, so every statement must end with a semicolon here. Use comments to explain the test steps. Follow this structure for every Java program or a Selenium script. So this is how the basic structure of Java program looks like. So today we learned the structure of a Java program, how class, main method, statements, and comments fit together, why structure is important for readability, debugging, and test automation. So in the next video, we will learn about compilation and execution flow, what happens behind the scenes when we run a Java program. So if you found this helpful, like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss any part of our Java for Testers journey. See you in the next class.